Hey everyone, in this video, I'll take you through a beginner's guide to Creatify AI. In order to do so, here we are at app.creatify.ai and we're all logged in and ready to go. And we're just going to take a quick look here, an overview of the different options. So here we have our menu on the left. We have videos, avatars, projects, products, winning ads, competitive tracker. Okay. Also, we have 10 credits off the bat that we can use. And here you can see what Creatify offers. So we have video ads. That's primarily what Creatify focuses on. We can create an AI avatar. We have some popular tools here. We can do AI shorts, AI editing, batch mode, generate dozens of videos for your product at once. And we also have text to speech. So some interesting options here to play with. Let's go ahead and take a look at the AI video ads, and we can go ahead and just click create now. So share your product link to generate a video. Interesting. So this is where if you are going to generate a video, then you are going to need to have the product link somewhere specific and then bring it in here. Here it says, try some links. Let's go ahead and try that. Okay. So that brought in our link to a universal waterproof protector protection. Okay. Let's go ahead and analyze the URL. It's going to take a few moments to do that. Okay, and that was under a minute. And then here we can see what our product is. And you can see that it looks as though this is sort of a cargo liner for dogs. Why not? So confirm the assets you want to use. Higher quality clips and images result in better results. Okay, so here we have our different images from the product. If we want to upload any additional images, we can. Promotional info. Let's go ahead and toggle that on. Okay, so here we can add the original price. We can add a promotional price. We can add promotion details. So let's say app orders 20% off. Okay, so that just auto fills that there. And we can even add a logo if we wish. Let's go ahead and click on next. Fill in a promo price. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll take off the promo information and we'll just click next now. Okay, so we now have which platform do we want it for? So we got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and X. And we can change our aspect ratio. So depending on what platform you are going to be putting this on, you might want to change that. We'll just stick with the 9:16, and we can also change the duration. So depending on the duration, I would expect it's going to take more credits. Let's go ahead and just leave it to 15. Target audience. I would say, okay, right here it says dog owners. That's of course who would want a dog cargo liner. And let's go ahead and click on next. All right, so choose or create a script. Choose script from AI, use your own script. So if you want to use your own script, you can. Let's go ahead and just stick with AI. Brand, story, product highlights, product lifestyle, call to action. We have different scripts here. Tired of cleaning up after long car rides with your furry friends. Product highlights. I used the cargo liner for my SUV last week. No fur. Product lifestyle. I finally found the ultimate protection for my SUV. Call to action. Introducing the Civace cargo liner, I guess is what it is. The ultimate backseat protector that safeguards your vehicle from dirt and scratches. Okay, we can even generate more scripts if we wish. Let's go ahead and do that. Why not? Okay, trending topics, problem solutions, special offers, etc., etc. Okay, so that's very interesting. Let's go ahead and just pick the first one. We can also choose different tones. So engaging tone, Gen Z tone, motivational tone, commercial advertising, casual, professional, inspiring. Okay, we'll just stick with motivational and then we're going to click next. choose your favorite avatar. So we have a variety of avatars here to choose from, depending on what we're looking for. Okay, so we've got some duplicates wearing different clothes. So depending on what you're looking for, it looks like there are quite a few avatars. It's continuing to bring us down. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. It could be that there's more, but for now, let's just stick with that and let's go. So we've got Sophie here and Sophie here, and these look like two different people. Let's go ahead and we'll select this one. Okay, so just by clicking that, that's checked. We can even favorite it if we want. And we have a stylized avatar. Okay, so this is only for pro members, but you can see we have stylized avatars. Now, let's see what the difference is between the two. I don't know. Okay, so all of these kind of seem to be fairly straightforward, like somebody's in their house. Whereas with this one, we've got this person here's at a lake. This person's on a street in the woods. This person's coming out of the shower. This one's wearing a witch outfit. So we've got a few interesting options here to choose from. We'll just stick with this one. We've also got Smart Match. Creatify AI will find the best avatars for you. Let's go ahead and click on that. Yeah. So that's going to think about that. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then we'll hit next. So now we are generating. Let's go ahead and let that think. Okay. And after generating, these are the results. 12 videos are generated. Select one or more. Accurate lip sync will be available after rendering. So this does offer lip sync, so that's quite nice. So we have a few options to choose from. And let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. This is not the final video yet. Clicking render will provide accurate lip sync. Got it.
Tired of cleaning up after long car rides with your furry friend? Cybees offers a universal waterproof solution, safeguarding your vehicle and providing comfort for big dogs. Get 20% off app orders now.
Okay. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and hit render. And here we need 5 credits to render a video. In that case, it was only about 15 seconds long. It's going to take 5 credits to do that. If we want to remove the watermark, we are going to need the pro plan. Let's go ahead and just click render video. So that is working. In the meantime, want to make more video variations? Follow tutorial to create more versions with our make variations tool, or navigate back to preview page to render other videos you like. Got it. Okay, so that is rendering. It's going to take just a moment to finish that. Okay, so that took about a couple of minutes to finish rendering, and let's go ahead and click on that and we'll see the results.
Cleaning up after long car rides with your furry friend? Cybees offers a universal waterproof solution, safeguarding your vehicle and providing comfort for big dogs. Get 20% off app orders now.
Okay, so you could see there what that looks like with the lip sync, and it's pretty spot on. So this is quite impressive. It's definitely a good tool for anybody who has some kind of a specific ad, and you could just use this to add some production quality to that and have your avatar. The lip sync is quite nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at winning ads. So these are a variety of other ads that other people have created. And let's just click on this one here and see what the results are.
Why I'm doing this brand new workshop on the 5 biggest stressors of parenthood is because I've been getting call after call from my clients who are parents out of their mind with stress.
Okay, so that gives you an idea there of what the results are like. And yeah, I mean, this is really quite powerful depending on what it is that you're looking for. If you have product placement, this is a good tool for you. And we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.